All right, welcome back to the Palm Beach Traders channel. I'm kind of gassed up right now because my trade is just melting into profit. But I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how I took this trade, why I took this trade. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. And I keep telling you guys, it's the same thing over and over again. When you're trading this strategy, whether you're trading synthetics, whether you're trading gold, whether you're trading indices, whether you're trading currencies, I don't give a damn. You are going to make a couple of buckaroos once you understand what's going on over here. So we're actually going to delete all of this, and I'm going to give you guys the analysis of why I took this trade. From today onwards, you will no longer be the liquidity in the market, but you will be the one profiting from the liquidity in the market. You will no longer be the one who keeps getting stopped out. Why do I keep getting stopped out from my trades? I'm going to tell you why you keep getting stopped out and how you're going to stop doing that. How you're going to stop piling up profits in your dreams and start piling up profits in real life. How to stop piling up losses in real life. This is going to teach you right here. So, let's break it down. First thing that I saw, and it's the first thing every single time. Wham, bam, boom. Right over there, we had a sweep of liquidity. Right? We had a sweep of liquidity. It looked like price was going to start selling over here. As price made this move downwards, made a lower high. We were expecting a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low. But no, instead it came and it broke this. It swept that. And it created this. And then afterwards, what do we get? Break of structure. Once you have that, you're already in for some money. You're already in for some bucks. Right? This becomes our protected high. We don't expect price to come and break this area over here. Once you get something like this, you're already in to make some good money. That is where it all starts. This right here. Once you get this whole thing, you're in to make some money. And like I said, this whole thing is like mining for gold, right? You're putting pieces together in your puzzle, right? Okay, so we had that. Now what are we waiting for? Let's just recap a little bit. We have our sweep of liquidity over there. Then we have price break structure over here. Then price break structure over there. What are we anticipating? We're anticipating price to come back and create structural liquidity in our 50% or more zone, right? That's all we're looking for price to do. Price does well more than that, right? It gets all the way up here and creates structural liquidity. Now the waiting game is what's gonna be a little bit hard. Lucky for me, by the time I came, all this had already happened. So all of this had already happened over here. The sweep of liquidity had already happened, the break of structure, and the creation of structural liquidity. All this had already happened. So now what are we anticipating? After we have all of this happen over here, right? We have your sweep of liquidity, break of structure, the creation of structural liquidity. All we are anticipating price to do is get into this area over here. Right there. We call this our point of interest. The order block that failed. Right? Anywhere in this area, this is your inside liquidity. Between your protected high and your structural liquidity, this is your inside liquidity. You're trying to look for entries in this area. Price has to come back and sweep structural liquidity. So what are we anticipating price to do? right? Create structural liquidity. We want price to come back and break structure, which it did. It broke structure over here, broke structure over here, and it broke structure down there, right? What are you anticipating? You're anticipating that after price does this, create structural liquidity, break structure, you just want price to come back into this area over here and then sell off from there. And then what did price come and do? It bought all the way back up. Bam! Right into that area over there. Normally your entry would be over here after you get this bearish confirmation over here. Price is now reacting the way you want in your inside liquidity, right? I took my entry somewhere around over here, I want to say. As you guys can see, that's where my entry was. Where you're going to have your stop loss, you're going to have your stop loss right above this zone over here. It's the same thing, guys. You don't want price to come and break this area, but you want to give it some breathing room. Because there are times where price will do something like this. It will even sweep the protected high and close back inside. Then you can look for more entries. You see price do something like this. Then it'll sell off. Right? That kind of happens, especially with currencies. Because currencies is a manipulated market. It's a very heavily manipulated market. That's why you have to understand price movement. You need to understand liquidity. You need to understand market structure and put it all together. This is what you get. You get a winning formula. It's the same thing over and over again. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm talking about. If you've been watching all of my videos, all of this is already starting to sink in. And by 2025, by the end of 2025, I expect you guys to be making thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars from your prop firm accounts, thousands of dollars from your derivative accounts, and buying cars. That's what I'm expecting from you guys. But I'm telling you, it's the same thing over and over again. There's nothing new here. There actually isn't anything new here. It's actually quite disgusting how much this stuff plays out. If you're a prop firm trader, I hope you're studying this strategy. I took this on my prop firm account. I think I should be up about 6%. This is a very big trade to catch. Look at all these pips. Just straight profit. I took this in the night, went to bed, woke up, now smiling. Obviously, and for obvious reasons. Because this strategy is just goated. Where's your take profit levels? Take profit 1 would be this low over here. Take profit 2 would be this low over here. And take profit 3 would be this low over here. But I'd always advise you, take your money around here. Right, you see price reacted there, take your money there. Right, I'm about to close my profit on my prop firm account. But this is so obvious. It's such a simple strategy. All you need to know is how liquidity works, how market structure works. Put it all together, boom. You have something worth your while. If you are able to learn this before 2025 comes, I'm telling you, 2025 will be your year. When I learned this, 2024 was my year. And when you learn this, 2025 is going to be your year. If you want to speed up your process on how to learn this strategy, you can always DM me on Instagram. My mentorship is always open. My December class, I think I'm taking my final registration. And then, I'm going to call it a good year. Probably going to go out for vacation. Travel a little bit. Still deciding where I want to go. But those are the perks of being a forex trader, right? For you guys at home, keep watching my videos. Go through them all. You will realize it's the same thing. Whether I'm trading on derivative, whether I'm trading currencies, it doesn't matter. Everybody is getting destroyed. And it's the same thing over and over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe, share this with your trading buddies. They need to see this. Comment down below what you want to see next, what questions you may have. For all those that want to contact me, you can contact me, DM me on Instagram. My DMs are always open if you want any kind of inquiries. I don't know if you want mentorship, if you just want to send a comment, a thank you, or maybe you don't like my videos and you just want to send me a big F you to my face. I don't care. Whatever it is, you can tell me. Contact me there. Besides that, as I wait for my take profit to get hit, this is Palm Beach Traders signing out.